Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Probably Fixed It. And it's back on the golf cart with a little modification. I've been kind of waiting for this front bumper to come in before I put these on, but it's on back order and I don't see it coming in anytime soon. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get these installed and kind of give you a look at how they look with these things. They're fender flares are pretty easy to install. I went ahead and kind of learned on the other side so I could kind of go through this side without screwing up too bad in front of you guys, but they're really nothing to it. They have some self-tapper Phillips head screws, but what I did, I used my drill with a small drill bit just to kind of help that screw get started. And of course I used my impact driver with a Phillips bit on it as well. And I got a little Sharpie to kind of help me get lined up here for that first drill. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in place. I'll move y'all around so y'all can see it a little better. All right, so here's your front piece here, and it's got a little step cut out here, and that kind of goes in this general area here. And it's got another step up here at the front, and that kind of matches this body line here. So if you look, you can get like that and be, oh, it's not gonna work, oh, that's not gonna work. But you know what? If you shift it up a little bit, it will work just fine. And it's kind of on there up here like that. That's kind of how it fits. Then what I did for this one is I went ahead and just held it in place real quick. Took my Sharpies and put a little dot in the center there. And that's where that's the one I really want to get started first. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that one started, and then I'll go back and get the other ones. So I'll pull that off real quick. Grab my drill my hole. Just a small hole to allow this to get started. Get this back in place. Try to find that hole I just put in there. Kind of stuck it in there to get me started. Got that sucked down in place. Kind of like how that looks. Now I'm taking this bottom. Can you see that bottom? I take this bottom and I pull it up where I want it, and you can you can do what you want, but I just went ahead and just take my drill it in there, grab me a screw, and stick that screw in there. And suck it right on in. And then now I got two more remaining here. We're gonna go ahead and get those. Little hole right in the center. Hole right in the center-ish. Two more screws. This is real easy, guys, and it makes a big difference in how these things look. It gives them a nice, tough look, you know. Now the back is a little bit trickier, kinda. We can figure it out, and I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, well, that front one's installed. It's nice and tight, nice and snug, and it gave it a good look. I'll show you what we're gonna do on the back here now. A better YouTuber than me probably would have given y'all a better before shot of the whole thing without, but y'all can go back and look at some of my other videos. I've got a whole series on this cart build and see how it looked before I put these fender flares on. All right, now we're gonna start getting to this back one. We're gonna go ahead and get this one installed. So this is kind of similar, right? It's got the little cutout right there, and that cutout's gonna go down in this area here, kind of like that. Now what's kind of weird about this, if you look how, if you just set it up there, it doesn't really follow the body lines too great, right? So what you want to do, what I did on the other side, I got this one kind of where I wanted it, and then I pulled this down, and I just wanted to make sure that all these holes were, of course, above that flat, kind of in this, above over here, and I stayed below this body line on the cart. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. We'll get that in there. And this one here, I wanted to kind of leave that as much as I could and make sure when I bent that down, it kind of matched the body lines a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead, get a mark here, and get that one started. See, I got two marks there. I kind of ended up moving it up a little bit just because I like how it fit a little better. I went and looked at my other side, and that's kind of where I had it. So it's kind of all eyeballs, but now I'm just gonna take one of the screws like I had for the other one with my drill. Actually, all right, so I got that one started how I want it. And now, if you see, look how it kind of sits up here, kind of weird, right? See how it's all funky? But you can pull that down, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull this down and kind of bend that around and mark it where I like it, and then I'm gonna put this fastener in. And then the others, they kind of end up where they end up. So I got these kind of following that arc that I want, and where I kind of want this thing to end, and that's where I want that last one to be right there. So I'm putting a mark right there. Go ahead and drill that out. Screw this one in. All right, now it's just a matter of holding this in place, getting these all started. Try not to drill through your finger if you can help it. And I guess if you really want to, you can do, you know, one screw at a time. And if I were going to do that, I'd probably do every other hole and do it kind of that way. But this worked for me on my other side, so I just went ahead and did it on this side. And I'll leave a link to this particular fender flare set that I have in the description, so if you want to get the same one that I got, you can. And another thing I did, if you see on my cart here, I have these holes that are from that little scuff pad that's usually there. My cart didn't have one of those pads, and if you don't have it or you don't want to put it back on there, I found these little fasteners here, and I'll leave a link to those too. They're just one of these little kits like this. But all you do, you just take this out, stick this in the hole like so, and it's got the little plug in it. And you pick that plug and stick it right in there, and there you go, easy peasy. It just kind of covers up those holes. I don't want to put one of those pads on there, and I just kind of go with the same theme. Anyway, I'll leave a link to these fender flares and a link to that little kit that has these in there if you want to do that to plug these holes up. And I do appreciate you guys watching and subscribing to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. I got some boats builds coming up. I got like one of those pond prowlers I'm gonna do. It's not a pond prowler, it's called a bass buddy. But anyway, I'm kind of trying to get the title squared away on that, but that's gonna be a fun one, I believe, once I get that done. But anyway, this is for what we're gonna do for the golf cart on this episode to probably fix it, and I hope you come and join me again. I'll try to drop out a golf cart video probably you know, once a week, once every 2 weeks, until it's done. I still need to figure out a way to do a hitch on this thing. It's a little unique with this kind of back seat, so I can make a mount for the wheelchair. But we're getting there. Anyway, thanks again, guys, for tuning in, and I appreciate all my likes and subscribes. Have a good one.